Hi, I'm Renee. Welcome to Kitchen in the Shire. Today we're going to be making an easy version of deep fried nacho chips. Let's get started.
To make this recipe, you'll need 1 package of corn tortillas, enough vegetable oil in a heavy pan so that it is at least 1/4 inch deep, and table salt.
Okay, so we're going to take, I purchased corn tortillas today and they're ready for use. However, I'm going to take them and actually deep fry them and turn them into tortilla chips. You can do this actually from raw tortillas that you make yourself, but I learned a long time ago when I thought these were going bad, I decided to put them in some oil, hot oil, and see if I could fry them, and you can. So I'm going to show you how I do this. These, the temperature of the oil, it's vegetable oil, and the temperature is 350 degrees. And it's just at 350 degrees. Okay, that's looking the way it's supposed to, so I'm going to put six in there and see what happens with that. That's a much better bubble. And the trick is to keep that bubbling going, and I can hear it and you can see it, and they're bubbling nicely, and that's what you want to see. The temperature will drop just a little bit when you put these in, but you want to try to keep that up as high as you can, as close to 350 as possible to keep that bubble going. As you can see, the bubbles are still going, so that makes me happy because I know it's cooking properly. You can still see bubbles. I can tell by the noise that it's wanting to slow itself down here, but we're not going to let it. We're just going to keep adjusting that heat. They have fryer laters that you can use, and it keeps the temperature a little bit more consistent, but I grew up frying food like this with my mother. And so it takes a little bit of getting used to with the temperature. Okay, they're just about done. And in the meantime, I'm just going to take a little bit of salt in my fingers, just a pinch, and put it over so it evenly distributes. And you just want to be careful with this because if you put too much on, they're too salty, but you just want a little bit. This one it's nice and crispy. This is the first one. Very crunchy. That's very good. And they're delicious with the homemade salsa. And here is our salsa. And here are the chips when you dip these in, they are absolutely crunchy and delicious. Very yummy. The salsa is good. Everything is delicious. Thank you.